In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or hide the View menu or the entire menu bar in Google Sheets on your desktop, and we will also touch upon some limitations that you should be aware of. Let's start by discussing what you can do. First of all, if you're looking to minimize distractions and tidy up your working area on Google Sheets, an effective way is by hiding the menu bar and toolbar. This will essentially collapse the top row of menus, which includes File, Edit, View, and other familiar commands. There are simple steps you can follow to achieve this. At the top right corner of your Google Sheet, you will notice a small arrow or caret. By clicking it, you can quickly collapse the menu bar. This action provides you with a cleaner space to work in, free from any unnecessary clutter. Alternatively, for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a handy shortcut you can use. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+F on your Windows keyboard to toggle the menu bar's visibility. It's quick, straightforward, and provides immediate results. Now, for those of you who might be sharing or embedding sheets and desire a cleaner view without all the distracting menus, there's a simple trick. By appending .rm minimal to the end of your sheet's URL, you can hide certain menu items when the sheet is accessed via that link or embed. This tweak can be particularly useful when you want to share data with a minimal interface. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations of these methods. Currently, there isn't a way to disable the View menu or any other menu items in a manner that completely restricts all users from accessing it through the standard Google Sheets interface or settings. While hiding the menu bar does remove it from immediate view, it does not fully disable menu items. Users who are aware of this function can still uncollapse it and access the menus. Moreover, do keep in mind that the .rm minimal URL addition only alters how the sheet looks when accessed through that special link. It does not change the rights or settings for editing within Google Sheets for everyone else who might have editor access. So, it's surfaced more as a viewing adjustment rather than a permissions or editing lock. Practically speaking, Google Sheets does not offer a built-in feature for an admin to completely lock out the View menu or any menu entirely from being shown or used by all users. In summary, while there are ways to clean up the interface and minimize distractions, there are inherent limits to controlling access to menus in Google Sheets. It's always best to communicate openly with your colleagues or collaborators about how you'd like your data presented and accessed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.